Hey folks, if you want a real quick and easy meal, I've got you covered.
On a budget? No problem. Let's get started. Okay, let's get that puppy started. Okay, don't forget to preheat your oven at 350. A little bit of tomato sauce, some tomatoes. This is a garlic flavored tomato sauce, folks, so you don't have to add nothing to it. Just put it in the pan, spread it around. It's so quick and easy. Takes 10 minutes, folks. A little bit of cottage cheese, blend it in there. Makes it kind of like a rosé sauce. It is to die for. Put them tortellinis in, grab a fistful, there we go. Spread them around. A little bit of mozzarella cheese, a little bit more tomato sauce. Should be some tomatoes coming soon, folks. Here it comes. Yeah, mix it all in there. There we go. Yeah, spread that around. A little bit more cottage cheese. Spread that all around. Tortellinis, layer this just like lasagna, folks. So a little bit of tomato sauce, some tomatoes. Oh, finish it off. Yeah, mozzarella cheese on the top. And that puppy's all done. In the oven, 40 minutes. There, and who's your daddy?
Hey Robin, this looks terrific. It smells great.
Kai, I watched you put this thing together, and it virtually only took 10 minutes, folks.
That's crazy. I mean, this is such a great meal for the family, the whole family. Follow us on YouTube, like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
See you next time.
Ciao.